Subtraction by borrowing. Here we have two numbers, 54 minus 5. First, we need to rearrange the numbers in tens and in units. So whenever we write the numbers, the rightmost part is the units part, unit, and whereas over here it is 10. So what does this mean, unit and tens? Now unit is 1, 2, 3, these are the numbers, it's all in ones. In the sense that 4 means it's just 4, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas whatever numbers are there in tens are 10 times that number. Now if this is 5, it's not just 5, it is 50 because each place has its own units. Now this is 5, but it's really 50, and this is 4 units, so 50 plus 4 is 54. Here we don't have any 10, so it's 0 here, and this is 5 units. Now we need to start by subtracting the units only. That is 4 minus 5. But we cannot solve if there is less numbers to take out with. Now you cannot take 5 out of 4 because 4 is less than 5. So what does the 4 do? 4 asks the 5. This 5 is in tens. So this 5 says, yes, I will give you 1, and this will turn out to be 4. So now you can see, you can just remove this 5 and write it as 4 because you're taking 1 from that 5. So whatever the 5 gives is in terms of tens, so this becomes 14, and this 4 is remaining in tens. So whatever this number reduces by 1, and 1 is brought over here, and whatever the unit number was there will be added by 10. So now you can easily do 14 minus 5. From the number line, you can count 5 numbers behind 14 backwards. It'll be 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And then 4 minus nothing is 0. So it is 4 minus 0 is 4. So 49 is the answer here. Let's look into another problem. You have 22 minus 18. Both the tens are in the left side. The rightmost units are always in terms of units. So 2 minus 8, it's not possible. You have only 2 of something. You can't take 8 of that because you only have 2. You need to have more. So you ask sum from the number 2 behind it. So what happens is this 2 reduces by 1 and becomes 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 is coming over here. But this 1 is in terms of tens, so 12 minus 8 becomes 4 here. These are the units. And here 1 minus 1 is 0, so you're remaining with 0, 4. That is only 4. Another problem, 51 minus 39. Try it by yourselves. Let us see over here now. It's 1 minus 9, which is not possible. You cannot take away more from less. So this needs to be more. So what do? Ask from the previous number. It's 5. So we remove 1 from it. It becomes 4. And over here, it becomes 11. Because whenever the tens number gives, it gives minimum of 10. So you got 11, 10 plus 1, that's 11. And now 11 minus 9 would be 2. And here 4 minus 3 would be 1. And the answer is 12. What if there are 3 digits? Now we have units, tens, and hundreds. So the method is the same. It's just that we have to go till hundreds. Let's see this. We cannot solve 1 minus 4, so we borrow from 5 here. And you will have 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. And over here you will get 11. And then 11 minus 4, just 4 numbers behind 11 would be 7. Now you cannot subtract 4 from 6. Now this is in the tens place. So what do is we ask something from the hundreds place. So here what happens is this 1 is gone and you're remaining with 0 in the hundreds place. And 1 is borrowed here. This 1 comes here. Now it is 14 tens minus 6 tens. So it is 14 minus 6. The answer would be 6 numbers behind 14. That's 8. So 87, and there is nothing here, so it's 0, and this is your answer. Now we have a problem where there are 2 zeros in units and tens place in the top, and then there is 1 in the hundreds place. So you cannot subtract 2 nor 1 from units nor the tens place. So what you do is you need to start asking or borrowing from the hundreds place. But where does it give? There is a order. You can't just borrow 1 from here to units. No. What happens is when you borrow 1 here, it goes to the tens place. The remaining over here is 0 and it comes to the tens place. And from this tens place, there are 10 now, 10 tens, that's basically 100. Now from here you borrow one more, that becomes makes it 9, and you borrow it to the units place. Now there are 10 in the units and we need to subtract 2 from it, so it's very fine. 10 minus 2 will be 8, and 9 minus 1 in the tens place will give us 8. So this would be the answer, 88. 100 minus 12 is 88. With the procedure, when you borrow, it must follow the order and then solve it. I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any questions, please do drop them in the comments and I will get back to you. Happy learning.